Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna take the back seat and let my wife Dawn make a really delicious Thai dessert called Kanom Tuay. So sit back, relax, and just check out how my wife makes this delicious dessert. Okay, so Kanom Tuay has two layers. There's a bottom layer of pudding, and then on the top layer is a coconut milk layer. Okay, so today we're making, what are we making today?
ขนมถ้วย
Kanom Tuay. This is
สูตรโบราณ this old style
this is a Thai coconut dessert.
อันนี้แป้งข้าวเจ้า
Kind of like a pudding.
แป้งข้าวเจ้า
Bang Khao Jiao. That's a rice flour. We're using this brand of rice flour. I'm pretty sure you can find this in your local supermarket. How many grams is this?
65 กรัมค่ะ
This is 65 grams.
แล้วก็น้ำต้มใบเตยนะคะ200 กรัม
This is pandan boiled in water, in 200 grams of water, yeah? What's next?
แป้งเท้า
Bang Khao, that's tapioca flour, yeah? Yes, tapioca, no, it's tapioca starch. Yeah.
ถ้าไม่มีก็ใช้แป้งมันได้15 กรัม
Bang man, that's corn flour, yeah?
yeah
Or cornstarch. You need 65 grams of rice flour mixed in with 15 grams of tapioca starch. If you don't have tapioca starch, you can use corn flour or cornstarch. That's coconut sugar.
โคโคนัทชูการ์120 กรัม
120 grams.
yeah
So I want to add that to the rice flour and the tapioca starch. Okay, so when you add in a pandan flavored water, you want to add it in gradually. So just add a little bit, mix with the flour, and then add a little bit again. Yeah, I know. Come over here, Alice. Alright. And what is that? Coconut
โค
milk.
โคนัทมิลค์
How many grams?
200 กรัม
200 grams. That's 200 grams of coconut milk. This coconut milk we bought fresh from our local market. This coconut sugar comes from the flower of the coconut tree.
อันนี้เชื่อม
And we just added in, how many grams of that?
120
120 grams.
หอมไหมอะไรกินไหมคะ
So we're going to break the sugar down into the mixture.
อันนี้คือทำตัวนะคะตัวแป้ง
Okay, so that's finished. So we have the bottom layer of the Kanom Tuay, and then we have the top layer of the Kanom Tuay. Don mixed everything inside already. Right here is 200 grams of coconut milk, 30 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 20 grams of rice flour. Just mix everything thoroughly until there are no lumps. First, we're going to fill up the steamer.
นึ่งถ้วยตะไลก่อนนะคะ
So we have to preheat these little containers for our Kanom Tuay desserts.
นึ่งสักประมาณ5 นาทีค่ะ
About 5 minutes, yeah?
yeah
And these are the traditional way of eating Kanom Tuay. Whenever you go to a boat noodle restaurant, Kanom Tuay is like a side dish because when you eat those spicy boat noodles, you're gonna need something to help you cut down that spiciness. You can order these little dishes on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. But you can always use a regular ceramic plate with a rim on it. So we're gonna add our mixtures to a bowl that has a spout so that it's easier to pour into those tiny little bowls.
เวลาหยอดจะได้ง่ายๆนะคะแล้วก็เวลาจะหยอดก็คนนิดนึงนะคะก่อนหยอดเพื่อที่จะไม่ได้ตกตะกอนค่ะ
And we're gonna do the same for the top layer, yeah? And mix it every time you pour it into the bowl.
น่าจะพร้อมแล้วนะคะเวลาเปิดต้องเปิดเร็วๆนะคะไม่ให้น้ำหยดลงไป
Okay. You have to take the lid off very fast so that because there's water on top of the lid, and you don't want the water to fall inside the little bowls. So you have to lift the lid out very fast.
แต่ถ้ามีละอองน้ำแบบนี้เช็ดออกนะคะเช็ดได้
Make sure the bowls are all dry.
เอาทิชชู่ซับ
So just use a tissue to just dry it out.
แป้งนะคะ
So pour it in about halfway in, like half of the cup.
นึ่งประมาณ8 นาทีนะคะ
So we're gonna cook this for about 8 minutes, and we have our steamer set at a medium-high heat. Okay, so 8 minutes has passed. So let's take a look. Okay, you see how she lifted up the lid? This way no water can drip down onto the dessert. So as you can see, the bottom layer has solidified a little bit. Okay, so now she's gonna add the top layer. This is the coconut milk with the rice flour mixture and sugar. Just fill it up until it's almost to the top. And this is what gives the Kanom Tuay dessert that distinct 2-layer look. Now she's gonna check the bottom of the lid and just wipe off the water. So now we're gonna let that steam for 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes are up. Let's go take a look at the Kanom Tuay. Oh, check that out. See, it's got the little bit. When it cools down more, it's gonna crack more. The top layer of the coconut milk. The top layer has like little pock marked look. Oh, pretty cool. It's like the surface of the moon. Okay, so we know many of you might not want to buy these little bowls of these little ceramic bowls to make this dessert. So you can use a bigger plate like this. This is about a 8-inch ceramic plate that you can find anywhere. So we're gonna use that. So first off, we're gonna heat that up for how many minutes?
5 นาที
For 5 minutes. Just heat the plate up for 5 minutes. So just dry off the top of the plate first. Mix up the mixture. Okay, so this one has more of the flour mix inside. We're going to steam this for 10 minutes.
10 นาที
So 10 minutes. Okay. Always mix before you add. And turn high heat yet.
Yeah.
So this is the big one. Wow, look at that. See, it has the same little nice cracked texture on top. And as I said, that's the signature mark of a well-steamed, whoops, let me clean that out, of a well-steamed Kanom Tuay. Okay, all right, let's take it out.
อันนี้จะกินแล้วเหรอ เย็นยัง
No, not yet.
ยังไม่เย็นอีกเหรอ
Yeah, it is, but it's a little bit. You
Yeah.
taste one.
คูณอันนี้
All right, you taste.
คาริสมากินเนี้ย
You taste one. Oh, that's good. Yeah. How is it?
Very soft.
Is it cool?
ไม่คูลนะ
Hi,
Not so
Alice.
sweet อร่อย
Hi, Alice.
อร่อยมาก ว้าว
Mmm.
เห็นไหม
How's it taste, Alice?
Yeah.
How's it taste?
อร่อยไหม
It's good.
เอ้ย
อ้ำ
อ้ำอีกไหมอ้ำ เซอ้ำก่อนอ้ำก่อนอ้ำก่อนอ้ำ
It's good.
อร่อยไหมคะอร่อยไหมคะอ่ะ
Big one. So it's my turn for a taste. It's nice. 2 layers. It's really soft. Nice and creamy. Because this type of dessert is not supposed to be too sweet. And a taste of the coconut cream. Normally you find these little Kanom Tuays when you're eating at a boat noodle shop, which has really like spicy noodles. So when you eat this after you eat a really spicy bowl of noodle, the coconut milk actually helps fight off the little bit of spiciness. It's a very, very refreshing dessert. And if you make this at home, I'm pretty sure you enjoy it. Alright everyone, so thank you very much for watching me and my family make Kanom Tuay. Next week, we're making sticky rice with mangoes. And check out if this idiot can get that mango on top of that tree. So join us next week, and we will see all of you again.